usually go here during the summer to enjoy the sun and the beautiful Mediterranean Sea. But right now, I'm here for just 10 hours. Join me on this episode as we explore the largest island's capital city, Palma de Mallorca, here at Stephen's Cue. Hello, good morning from Barcelona. It's 5:17 in the morning and we're bound to a trip of this very, very cold morning. It's 6 degrees Celsius here at Catalonia and we're bound to fly to Mallorca today within the next 2 hours. So I'm here waiting for the bus going all the way to Barcelona Sands, and then from there we will ride a train going to there. We're now on the way to the plane and on to Palma de Mallorca. See you there. We have arrived here at Palma de Mallorca airport and you can see how sleepy I am. I'm so not in a mood for traveling yet. I'm traveling, but let's see. We have to make the most out of this day. But at the same time, I don't want to force myself. So let's just do what we can do and do it calmly. Let's see. Some facts. Mallorca is the largest island of the Balearic Islands, which is situated at the eastern part of Spain along the Mediterranean Sea. And Palma is where the airport is, where we are right now, and is the gateway to the island. Mallorca is also the 7th largest island within the Mediterranean Sea, and you can see the airport is quite big here at Palma. The bus from the airport to the center of Palma is worth €5 per way, but they have a promo that if you buy a round trip ticket, it would just be €8. So that's what I took, because tonight I'm also going back to Barcelona and I saved €2. And now I don't know where I'm going. I'm just walking around, and as you can see, the ground is wet. It looks like it rained earlier, and hopefully it wouldn't the whole day until I leave. The air is very, very, very fresh here compared to Barcelona. It's cold, but not too much. The capital city of Palma on the island of Mallorca has a population of around 420,000 people, Catalan speakers, and is a very, very popular destination, not just domestically for Spanish and Catalan people, but all around Europe, because it enjoys warmer weather compared to the mainland countries and cities. And as of now, it's a little bit humid, which I like, especially in this cold weather, because dry and cold gives me a lot of headaches. But now that it's humid, it's a little bit more milder and I can breathe a little bit easier. The Cathedral of St. Francis, or the Basilica de San Francesc, here at Palma has been constructed within the centuries of 13th and 14th centuries, and it features a Baroque strong facade, but some of the elements within the structure is actually Gothic. In the year 1226, the Cathedral of Santa Maria de Mallorca has been ground broke, and the construction lasted for almost 400 years until it has been finished at 1601. And you can see at the facade there's a very big rose window, which is almost 41 meters in diameter. It's the second largest in the world. We have just got out of the cathedral, and I don't know where I am. It's just an alleyway that the gift shop led to. So of course, after you got out of the exit, there's a gift shop that you should be passing through, and it's selling a lot of beautiful things, but the price is like so high. So I didn't get anything. Then it led me to a back alley, which is so beautiful right now. And let's just keep walking to see where we're going. Another souvenir shop. I love souvenir shops.